welcome everyone. Basically, just a short introduction of myself. I'm an ex-banker and a career coach by profession as of now. But when Amay asked me to conduct a session, something related to female, so financial literacy was something which was okay. I would first like to understand, everybody understands English, or I can continue with a mixed language. I'm comfortable with both English and Hindi. Can you all put it in the chat box? हमको हिंदी या इंग्लिश, which language is comfortable? Okay, I'll use a mix because कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जहाँ पर जो लोग हिंदी से comfortable है. So जब अमय ने मुझे approach करा, it was just day before yesterday, and he said कि how can we do something for women empowerment. So I said क्योंकि मैं बैंकिंग में रह चुकी हूँ बहुत साल, और बैंक में ऑलमोस्ट हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन ऐसे ऐसे केसेस आते थे जहाँ पर when the husband or father is no more and the females of the family, जिन लोगों को कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं होता था कि उनके पास कितने बैंक अकाउंट है. कई बार तो ऐसा होता है कि बैंक में नॉमिनी तक कोई नहीं होता है, एंड द फीमेल्स दे हैव टू स्ट्रगल फाइंडिंग एन एडवोकेट, पूरा लीगल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करना, एंड ये सब okay, these all some people are saying only English. Okay, no problem. So I'll use a mix of both the languages because there are few people who want this in Hindi also. Okay. ठीक है. So it's a mix Hindi English. So I'll continue using both the languages. So these females were like, I used to be shattered इतना सब देख के कि बेसिकली घर की घर में होते हुए जिस इंसान के साथ आप जिंदगी भर से रह रहे हो इतने सालों से, एंड आपको पता ही नहीं है कि घर में क्या क्या फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड चल रहा है. आपको घर की एक एक चीज पता है, क्या शॉपिंग करा, ये करा है, बट जो बेसिक चीज है व्हेन इट कम्स टू मनी, इट्स जिससे हमको लाइफ में पूरा सपोर्ट मिलता है, हमको पता ही नहीं है कि हमारे घर में क्या क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ है या कहाँ पर क्या चीज है, लोन में कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग है. So these things were like, it was a shattering experience for me, and it was not one of a case. 90% of the cases, females are not aware what happens at their home front. So this topic was very much close to my heart, and I'm thankful to Amay and Skillslate Foundation for giving me an opportunity to speak this in front of all of you. So I will share my screen. One second. So is the screen audible, visible to everyone? Okay, can you all confirm if the screen is visible? So there is a global survey which says that in India, 76% of Indian adults do not understand basic financial concepts and are unfortunately financially illiterate. So I am not saying you're not financially independent. There's a difference between being illiterate and being independent. And when it comes to female, the percentage goes very high. हमको पता ही नहीं है what are the basic finances, whether we are earning, not earning, we are homemaker. हमको पता ही नहीं होता है कि what is there when it comes to the family finances. So many of you might be thinking why this session is kept only for women, not for men. Because finances, so it is being looked after by the male members of the family. So why women? So that is the thing why in India, females are not involved in taking financial decisions, or at least in financial process. They are not made aware of also what all is happening at their family, where the money goes, what are the expenses, how it is being utilized, what are the investments. Even females, quite times they don't even know ki how is the fees of their children is being paid, what is the what is the tenure of paying the fees, which app is being used. So all these are shocking. I think as a female, everyone should take a responsibility, at least in terms of knowing what is happening, and they can help and support their male members in the family. So there are various reasons jahan par humko, we don't know why females are not being given an opportunity, or they themselves do not make advantage of the fact that they can also help here. So there can be various reasons, like it is the male member in the family who earns totally, or who earns totally or who earns more than their spouse. So they think that they have only the rights to take financial decisions, and at times females also take a backstage. They think कि मुझे क्या करना है घर के finances को लेके, when there is someone to take care of. But this is totally an incorrect picture. अभी कई बार क्या होता है, फीमेल्स है, होम मेकर है, उनको लगता है मेरा काम सिर्फ घर संभालना है, बच्चे देखना है, एंड ओनली मैनेजिंग हाउस होल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। फाइनेंस का काम है, हस्बैंड है, अगर हम अनमैरिड है तो ठीक है, सैलरी आई, पे चेक लेके अपना थोड़ा बहुत खर्चा निकाला, एंड यू गिव इट टू, 1 second, I'll zoom it. So you basically, it's not the presentation is not more important. I am talking about my practical experiences which I would like to share. So they think that it has to be taken care by only the male members, and at times females don't like to involve in the decisions, thinking that I don't have any knowledge about finances, and they don't try to upskill or upgrade their knowledge also, thinking that there is no point. Or at times it happens females are not even allowed to speak about finances. I have seen families, ऐसी कितनी families होती है जहां पर बोला जाता है कि आप दिमाग ही मत लगाओ फाइनेंसेस में, इट इज नन ऑफ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. So knowingly unknowingly we are pushing all the finance related decisions towards males only. And kabhi kabhi the last situation wherein a female is earning, but then she thinks कि ठीक है अपना expenses का पैसा निकाल दिया, बाकी ठीक है, whatever is the spare amount या जो savings है, I will give it to either my husband or my father, and it is their responsibility to invest. I should not be worried about these things. Why should I take additional tension of managing finances? But do you think this is right? So how many of you think this is right, that females should not be involved in financial decisions? Okay, this is just talking about financial literacy. So practically financial literacy is something wherein you are able to, whether you're working or not working, you're earning or not working, you're a homemaker, but at least, uh, yeah, thank you. So at least you should be knowing about the finances. आप काम कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो. So that is all, that is not material over here. It's like even if the husband is earning, you should be supporting them in making some decisions. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि husband is, you think that husband is a male member, he is taking financial decision, and you know also that you have invested in something which is not going to give results, but still you keep mom thinking कि ठीक है, let him decide whatever he want to decide. I am least bothered, मेरे पास मेरा पैसा है, I am earning on my own. But that is also wrong. Remember, females are the focal point of any family. So they should be involved at every stage of financial decisions. So how many of you think you're financially literate? Ame, can we have a poll on this? आप लोगों को, कितने लोगों को लगता है कि this is one thing, earning member, that is being financially independent, but how many of you think you're financially literate?
All the participants are requested to answer the poll.
Okay. So do you think there is a difference between being financially literate and financially independent? So I think the percentage of financially independent women is more than the percentage of financially literate. Though literate has to be the first step in being financially independent, right? I have come across many females earning a hefty amount, but still they don't know basics of finances. Right? I will quote an example. A very big celebrity singer. She was undergoing her divorce process, and she has received an amount of hefty amount of 3.6 cr as a divorce settlement amount as an alimony. But she was under emotional distress. The portfolio managers, they kept on calling her, knowing that she's received a huge amount. They said, we are here to guide you, and she was happy that I will be able to use my money in the right direction. Now there was lot of mis-selling, in the sense she was asked to invest the entire amount in some investment options, saying that we will give you 24% per annum return. So she was happy that fixed deposits are giving me only 7-8%. So this is a good enough amount, and I will be living on this interest. And on the top of that, she was asked to avail home loan. So that, saying that home loan is only 10%, this gives you 24%. So the returns only will make you and will enable you to pay the EMIs. Now, over a period of time, what has happened? This investment went into loss. 35 lakhs ka loss hai. On the top of that, she has been paying EMIs. Now, she filed a court case against the portfolio manager, and the case is still going on, and she is contemplating whether to withdraw the case, because advocates, they also charge a hefty amount. So, imagine a person having 3.6 crores in the account and still not financially literate. So imagine the level of devastating experience which she must be facing. So there is a huge difference between being financially literate and financially independent. So how many of you agree to it now? Can we have it on the chat box? Do you agree now? Okay. Am I audible? Everyone is getting me? Okay, thank you, Amay, for confirming. Now, this is a self checklist, and the list is very exhaustive. So, it talks about, do you know compound interest, do you know credit scores, mutual funds, effective financial decision. But the list is very exhaustive. If I keep on telling you, you will be like thinking that everything is going haywire. What is she talking about? These are all big terms. Few of you might be knowing all these terms, may be good at investing, but for most of you it is like speaking in French, and when nobody is understanding. So I think going through these questions, instead of that, I will like to play a video which is wonderfully beautifully made by Paytm. And I think most of you might have seen also this video. Even I have seen it a number of times. But every time I watch this video, it's an eye opener, and you would also agree to it. So I will share this video right now. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming to help us conduct this experiment today. Amay, do I need to share the screen again, because video nahi dikha hai na?
Yes, 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 ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You have to share the screen again. Your video is not visible.
Okay. So I have to switch screen, right?
Yes. You have to stop sharing and start again, ma'am. If you have selected a particular tab, you have to stop sharing and start again.
Okay, 1 second. Now can you see the video? So do you all think it's an eye opener? Okay. So this was all about the video, which I feel it is like whenever I see, I still feel there is a huge gap. And 80% of the time, it is not that someone is stopping you, nobody is stopping you at home to get involved in the basic finances. It is only in your mind. You think I should not be involved because I am a female. बस दिमाग में बचपन से भरा हुआ है एंड वो हम लाइफ लॉन्ग कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं कि यार मुझे ये सब फालतू का सिरदर्द लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज समवन इन द फैमिली who wants to get involved and it is his responsibility, it is not my responsibility. Why it is not your responsibility? Supposing if something comes on you in any unforeseen situation, so it is you who is going to manage everything, then you are stuck. So this checklist, if you talk about the video, it talks about mutual fund, SIP, IT returns, purchasing your own car or your own vehicle. There is, so these are at still at a little advanced level. Now if I come to basics of finances, you will get a shock that you are not aware of even these basic things. This was still on a higher side. I'll come to a basic checklist and you only measure yourself whether you know all these things or not. So this is the basic checklist. How well do you know about your basic finances? So first and foremost thing is, where do you all put your money or your family? So anyone? It's the bank, right? So you put your money in bank. You know you have nominated someone in your. You know that you have nominated someone in your bank account. What about your spouse? Did you ever go and check or ask your spouse who is the nominee in the account? Or he himself has come to you and saying that you are the nominee in his account? At times, I have seen in banking, account में nominee ही नहीं होता है. There is no nominee in the account. एंड जब सेटलमेंट की बारी आती है, जो काम 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में होना चाहिए वो काम को महीनों लग जाते हैं. आप वकीलों के चक्कर लगाते रहते हो. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच शुड बी देयर इन योर बैंक अकाउंट. या फिर ऐसा भी होता है कि स्पाउस ने अपने किसी और फैमिली मेंबर को, फादर मदर को नॉमिनी आज से 20 साल 25 साल पहले कराया था एंड इट स्टिल कंटिन्यूज एंड द फैमिली मेंबर इज नो मोर. So it is as good as having no nominee in the account. So how many of you promise this is the first thing you will check in all the accounts? Whether it's your account, your spouse account, or if you are aged and बच्चों के account में check करा है कभी जाके, because these youngsters they join some organization, salary account खुलते हैं, फटाफट फटाफट account opening वाले आते हैं, they just fill up the form, sign करवा लेते हैं, यहाँ sign करो, यहाँ sign करो, nomination होता ही नहीं है account में. And with this COVID situation, it has made us realize that life is unpredictable irrespective of the age. So, someone is saying in joint family, it is difficult to involve in financial decision. So, I'm not talking about getting involved in financial decision. At least जो decision लिया गया है, are you aware of the decision? This is the basic purpose. So, why I am sharing this basic checklist? एटलीस्ट इतना आपको नॉलेज में तो हो. सो दिस देर आर एन नंबर ऑफ एक्सेल शीट्स अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. कई लोग डायरी में लिखते हैं बट डायरी में अपडेशन इज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. अभी टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना है, एक्सेल में शेयर करो, मे बी यू कैन शेयर इट ऑन गूगल ड्राइव, कीप इट अपडेटिंग ऑन मंथली बेसिस. एटलीस्ट एंड ऑफ द मंथ डिफरेंट जो सेविंग्स अकाउंट है उसका क्या बैलेंस है, क्रेडिट कार्ड का आउटस्टैंडिंग, होम लोन है तो किस बैंक के साथ है, होम लोन अकाउंट नंबर. So this checklist is very exhaustive. First thing is nomination. Now number of credit cards and the outstanding. अभी everyone is like so much fascinated with credit cards कि ठीक है बैंक ने facility दिया है credit card use करो, but most of the time don't you think that credit card it makes you an impulsive buyer. You keep on buying, not realizing that you have purchased so much from 4-5 different credit cards. So once you start keeping a tap of everything, you start writing it, then again it's an eye opener for you yourself or your spouse. Because आप लिख रहे हो and you are making it realize, आपके subconscious mind में वो घुस रही है चीज यार इतना आउटस्टैंडिंग हो गया, मैंने रियलाइज भी नहीं करा, 10,000 का इधर से खरीद लिया, 15 उधर से खरीद लिया. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ऑफ द थिंग विच यू आर यूजिंग. बट हम लोग करते नहीं है, सोचते हैं आज कर लेंगे कल कर लेंगे, हम कभी इस बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है. जब बिल आता है ना, इट गिव्स यू गूज बम्प्स. Yes, someone has asked to Excel share the Excel file. Yeah, I have an Excel file. I have shared with Amay, and Amay will share with you on email. Or maybe if it is possible, Amay, you can attach. So Amay will attach, or he will share it on mails to all the participants. And see, it's a basic checklist. So based on your convenience, your comfort level, at least share the files with the nearest one, maybe your father, if you are dependent on your father, or with your husband. Both of you should be sharing. At times wife is also working, husband ज्यादा अर्न कर रहा है तो सोचता है कि यार ठीक है जितना भी अर्न करिए, आई एम लीस्ट बॉदर्ड, बट यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि शी इज ऑल्सो सेविंग. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर द चेकलिस्ट विथ यू. अभी लोन्स है, होम लोन एटलीस्ट तो भी पता होता है घर की फीमेल को, बट कभी कभी स्पाउस कीप्स ऑन टेकिंग, पर्सनल लोन ले लिया, क्रेडिट कार्ड के अगेंस्ट लोन ले लिया, इतना सारा आउटस्टैंडिंग है, 16-18% का इंटरेस्ट है, एंड गॉड फॉरबिड समथिंग हैपन्स, नाउ everything comes on email, and all of a sudden जब outstanding is too much, these recovery agent they comes to your, keeps on visiting your house and harass you like anything. So it is important that you should be informing your family member about this. This is the outstanding. So maybe they can suggest that we should cut the expenses over here and let's clear all the outstanding. Then again, investment in different instruments. Now there are so many investment options. People keep on investing in different policies. One with this bank, one with LIC, one here, one there, and there is no documentation, no consolidation. Just there are either the soft copies of the policies or hard copies. But घर में किसी को पता ही नहीं और कभी कभी कुछ हो जाता है. And believe me, these insurance policies, investment options, कितने time it remains unsettled and it remains with the banks or the organizations. So like in the Excel you can have 4 or 5 rows. Okay, LIC, this is the policy number, this is the premium which is being paid, and this is the investment return I am expecting for how many years. So you can keep on adding rows and columns as per whatever you have in your home. Then again, medical insurance, which is again a very important thing. Health insurance, I have taken a health insurance. मुझे कुछ हो गया, मैंने घर में किसी को बताया ही नहीं मेरे पास हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है, या आई एम वर्किंग समवेयर, मेरी कंपनी ने मुझे ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी दे के रखा है, बट मुझे पता ही नहीं है. एंड जब मुझे कुछ हो रहा है, सपोजिंग आई एम अनकॉन्शियस, फैमिली मेंबर को पता नहीं है, वो मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस यूटिलाइज ही नहीं हो रहा है, कैशलेस आप ऑप्शन अवेल कर सकते हो, इट इज नॉट गेटिंग यूटिलाइज्ड. So, what is the point in paying such hefty premiums to the insurance companies? If you are investing somewhere, it should be of use when the time comes, right? Now, how many of you heard about a will? Anyone who has made a will? So it is irrespective of the gender, whether you are homemaker, you're working, will has to be made for both the spouses, because at times what happens is fixed deposit है, कुछ wife के नाम पे कर दिया, कोई investment है, कोई wife के नाम पे कर दिया, right? So, and it's a very simple format which can be made at home. The Excel which I will be sharing has, if you go to the second sheet of the Excel, it has a will format also. Though it can be a plain piece of paper, you can do it handwritten also. It can be in any form but signed by both the spouse. So because nobody predicts. No, I am 31 now. With this pandemic, we have realized कल किसने देखा है. So this is something, it should not be procrastinated. Whatever is your age, if there are some investment in your name, at least will has to be there. Maybe your savings account, which would have hardly 1.5 lakhs, but at least either have a nominee or make a will of things. Today is the day. Don't procrastinate it for tomorrow also. Start doing it from today. If you don't take a step today, you will never be able to do it. Tomorrow will never come. Then one more important point is contact details of your chartered accountant or investment manager or portfolio manager, whatever you say, who knows the details of all the investments you have. And in case of emergency, your spouse can call that person. Or maybe you can have your investments with one portfolio manager, but 90% of the time, what happens is being into banking again. I have been to client's place. जब investment discussion होता है, any kind of portfolio discussion, husband sits with the portfolio manager and wife is inside the kitchen. उसका काम सिर्फ इतना ही होता है कि पानी और चाय टाइम पे पहुंचा दिया बाहर, and that's okay. They don't even like to sit over there. What is happening? Nobody is stopping them. Also, still they won't like to sit, thinking that this is not my cup of tea. So, don't you think it is incorrect? At least listen to what is happening. Am I sounding correct to all of you? Okay. Now, a very important point is location of important documents. Okay. We have lot of property documents. बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट होता है, मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट होता है, आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, पासपोर्ट. ये भी आप एक्सेल में डाल सकते हो कि व्हाट इज योर आधार नंबर, पासपोर्ट नंबर, व्हाट इज द लोकेशन और स्टोरेज, वेयर इट इज स्टोर्ड, so that in case of any emergency you are not struggling to find the documents. प्रॉपर्टी डॉक्यूमेंट से नहीं पता है, इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी किधर है, हार्ड कॉपी, यू आर नॉट अवेयर. कभी लाइसेंस की जरूरत हो गई, कार एक्सीडेंट है तो लाइसेंस ढूंढ रहे हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन कार्ड ढूंढ रहे हैं, एंड यू आर नॉट अवेयर. So it's very important that storage location has also to be updated in the Excel या डायरी में लिख लियो, whatever form you are using, have it handy so that your spouse or your nearest family member is not struggling. Again, demat account. We only talk about savings account, nomination, ये वो, but इतने investment options है savings account में, we hardly keep any money. जो लोग those who are very much stock savvy, they keep on investing in stocks, mutual funds. But डीमैट अकाउंट में हम कभी जाके we don't even bother कि इसमें नॉमिनी करेक्टली अपडेटेड है नहीं है, स्पाउस का डीमैट अकाउंट है नहीं है, कोई पुराना नॉमिनी है, अपडेशन की जरूरत है. सो दीज आर ऑल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. अभी ये सब बड़ी बड़ी चीजें है. अभी छोटी छोटी चीजें है घर में, कभी कभी वाइफ को या हस्बैंड को उल्टा भी हो सकता है, पता ही नहीं है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल कब आता है, आजकल बहुत सारी सॉफ्ट कॉपीज होती है, गैस पाइपलाइन है उसका बिल आ रहा है, प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स, घर का मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस है, पता ही नहीं है कब ग्लास दिया था, कब अपडेटेड है. सो एटलीस्ट keep your spouse informed, or your spouse should keep on informing you. It's not about a matter of trust, it's about being casual, right? And एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, बच्चों के स्कूल की फीस है, कॉलेज की फीस है, वन ऑफ द स्पाउस इज ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. बच्चों के स्कूल का जो ऐप है, एक किसी को क्रेडेंशियल पता है, दूसरे को तो पता ही नहीं है. पता भी नहीं है कि कब फर्स्ट टर्म का फीस देना है, कब सेकेंड टर्म का देना है. दीज आर ऑल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. यू शुड ऑल्सो बी अवेयर. कभी एक भूल गया, भूलने की भी आदत होती है, रिमाइंडर्स नहीं है, एक जना भूल गया तो एटलीस्ट द सेकेंड पर्सन शुड रिमाइंड. That's the moral responsibility at least, right? And internet banking, so it is, I cannot comment on this topic whether you should be sharing the credentials with your spouse or not. It is the trust factor between your family, but then if possible do share. If not, at least update the details of your savings account, which bank, what account number, and so where your salary comes, or yeah, फिर bill. And this list you can modify on your own based on the occupation. Maybe you are into business or spouse into business, तो करंट अकाउंट है, उसके डिटेल्स किधर है. मे बी यू हैव सम इन्वेस्टर्स जिनका आउटस्टैंडिंग है विच द फैमिली इज नॉट अवेयर. एट टाइम्स इट इज टू द ट्यून ऑफ crores and you are not aware. So you only see the income coming inside the family, but outstanding कितना है market में वो पता ही नहीं होता है family को. So these are all things which is like, if you come to know and if you get to know and you have not been looking into it throughout your life, it is all very frustrating. So my request to everyone would be, at least if you don't want to become an investor, mutual fund, FD, ये वो RD, SIP कुछ नहीं करना है, but at least घर में जो है, be aware and keep a track of all these things. So this was my basic objective, just to prepare for any kind of contingency situation, or in case of any unforeseen situation, both of the spouse should be ready to handle within a short time, because life is not guaranteed. That is all I have to say. So if anybody has any question or any feedback or any review on this, the chat box is open.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was wonderful, very short, sweet, and to the point session. I think all the participants actually got to know what questions they should be asking. So I think we should move on to the question answer session, since we promise all the participants that this will be a very interactive session. We will move on to the question answer session, and you being a ex-banker and a career counselor, I think they are at the right spot to ask all the hard questions today. So I hope you are prepared as well, and I request all the participants to either ask the question in the chat box, or there is a Q&A tab. You can ask there as well.
Maybe
We will
what
see.
I will do is I will also share your email ID if you allow me, so that if someone has a long question and if it comes in their mind later on also, I am available.
Yes. We can also keep a track from here. Not a problem.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. If you are able to pull out, then whatever questions, if we are not
Yes.
keeping the availability of time over here.
Sure. Actually, what we will do, if there is something which needs attention and a long answer, we will convert it to a blog and we will post it on the website, so everyone
Okay.
can access it.
Yes, Excel we will definitely share. It is there with Amay, so he will share it with you. Amay, is it
Okay,
possible
ma'am.
to attach?
Yes, ma'am. I'm intentionally not sharing at the present because we want participants to focus on the session right now.
Okay, okay. No
Because a
issues.
lot of good questions will be coming as soon as we start the Q&A session. And I will start with the first question. Is term insurance necessary for all?
Yes, term insurance, basically for the earning member, it is very important. If someone comes and tell you, see, कि buy unit linked insurance plan, and वहाँ पर आपका स्टॉक मार्केट या म्यूचुअल फंड्स पोर्टफोलियो सब में इन्वेस्ट भी होता है एंड आपको साथ में लाइफ इंश्योरेंस भी मिलता है. But I would always suggest, keep your life insurance and your investment separately. Don't ever mix these two things, because term plan आपको सस्ते में मिल जाता है and you get a good insurance cover. ठीक है. जब आप यूनिट लिंक्ड इंश्योरेंस प्लान में जाते हो तो क्या होता है, सपोजिंग उसका आपको सिर्फ 10 टाइम्स मिलता है. सो सपोजिंग 5 lakhs का इन्वेस्ट करें तो 50 lakhs ही आपको इंश्योरेंस कवर मिलेगा. बट अगर आप टर्म प्लान लेते हो तो अभी देखोगे जितना एज कम है, अगर आपने 2 CR का भी इंश्योरेंस प्लान लिया है, so the premium, if you pay it on monthly basis, it is not a very big amount. And again, from banking I have seen, it takes care of the entire household expenses for the female to manage in case of any unforeseen situation. अगर इंश्योरेंस कवर नहीं है, it is a very struggling life for the spouse if she is not financially independent. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
I hope we can see the questions, ma'am.
Yeah, मैं बहुत सारे questions हो गए, so it has all gone up. So I'll pull out.
I will repeat. Ma'am, is your speaker on, or because I am hearing a echo? No problem. Okay. Can we get a will prepared in consultation with my family members, and who would be helping us in this regard? Chartered accountant or lawyer?
See, it depends आपको फैमिली में कौन कंसल्ट किसे करते हो. सो इवन विल इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट वेरी, ये बहुत लीगल टर्म्स उसमें नहीं होती है. एक कई लोग सिर्फ पुराने जमाने में जो देखा होगा सीनियर सिटीजन, वो प्लेन पेपर पे पेन से भी लिख देते हैं कि ठीक है, आई हैव ये मेरा बैंक अकाउंट, या बैंक अकाउंट छोड़ो, ये घर है, ये इसके नाम है, छोटी सी चीज है, ये उसके नाम है. So you can just segregate the things, and you can put whoever you want to put the names. So the Excel will have a format of will also. You can consult your family, you can consult your family lawyer if you have, or you can consult a CA also. सो एंड
Thank you so much.
हाँ, गूगल पे भी सर्च करोगे अभी तो विल के बारे में, यू विल गेट इतना इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा कि मे बी थोड़े टाइम में यू विल बिकम अ विल कंसल्टेंट.
Okay, someone is asking for a 40 to 45-year-old woman, what would be a good investment plan?
अच्छा, सी ठीक है, आई एम नॉट एन इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजर और समथिंग. माय ऑब्जेक्टिव इज to make female financially aware of what is happening, because this is something, this investment advice in general I would not like to give, because कोई भी अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है तो आपको पहले जिसके साथ भी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो, यू नीड टू शेयर ऑल द डिटेल्स, हाउ मच यू हैव, कितना फिक्स डिपॉजिट में रखा है, कितना म्यूचुअल फंड्स में. सो इट हैज टू बी बैलेंस्ड पोर्टफोलियो. So on an open platform without looking into anything, it's I think it's not correct to give an answer on this. Mutual funds are yes good more than share investing in shares, because अगर आप शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेज होना चाहिए. म्यूचुअल फंड्स में क्या होता है, there are portfolio managers, they keep on investing in different stocks and they keep a track on it. So obviously mutual funds में risk is lower as compared to share market, but risk सबसे ज्यादा देखा जाए तो फिक्स डिपॉजिट में रिस्क कम है. बट अगर अभी आप देखोगे तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज वेरी लो ऑन फिक्स डिपॉजिट. एंड अगर किसी को ये नहीं पता है कि सपोजिंग आपने कोई फ्लैट बेचा है, आपके पास 50 लाख 60 लाख है, आपको लगता है आपने फिक्स डिपॉजिट में डाल दिया, ठीक है, और आपको लग रहा है कि ठीक है ये तो मुझे 6% तो एटलीस्ट आ रहा है, बट डोंट बी अंडर दैट इम्प्रेशन. अगर आपका एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट आपकी थ्रेशोल्ड के ऊपर जाता है, सो देर इज टैक्स डिडक्टेड ऑन फिक्स डिपॉजिट डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर टैक्स स्लैब. अगर 30% टैक्स स्लैब में आ रहे हो तो जो इंटरेस्ट मिला उसमें से भी 30% कट जाएगा, तो यू एंड अप गेटिंग नॉट 6%, इट कम्स टू अराउंड 4.5%. So it depends on, yeah, it depends on what income you have. So it varies from person to person what kind of invest. So you should have a balanced portfolio.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Restricted.
Yes, this is not a stock market session.
Yes. Please, I request all the audience to ask relevant question. Pranali Mane ma'am has asked a wonderful question. Due to house expenses and savings, I am unable to spend on myself. How can I balance that?
Due to house expenses and savings. So you mean to say whatever is the spare amount you keep on saving somewhere and you don't like to invest on yourself?
I think what Pranali wishes to say is she has decided a particular amount to save and a particular amount they spend on the family. So how can one find enough money to spend on themselves? Is there any way?
See, ma'am, if you're talking about the employment opportunities, again, this is not the forum. So maybe you can try something wherein you can earn. या फिर जो आप सेविंग्स कर रहे हो एंड घर पे जो एक्सपेंसेस कर रहे हो उसमें थोड़ा करके एंड ट्राई टू बी लिटिल सेल्फिश. इट इज ऑलवेज नॉट बैड टू बी सेल्फिश. A little selfish on your health, on your yeah upkeep, whatever you want. Try to be little selfish in that case.
Next question is, I am a businesswoman. What are the special things I can do for myself to be financial literate or to manage my finances?
Okay, to manage your finances, first and foremost thing is, if you make this Excel, first of all, you know कि where do you stand. Secondly, Excel में formula लगाओ आपका what is your earning, whatever business में, because the income is not fixed. जैसे ही कोई पेमेंट आता है वो लिखो. कीप ऑन मेकिंग अ सिंपल एक्सेल कि these are the particulars. यहाँ this is the debit amount, this is the credit amount. डेबिट क्रेडिट मीन्स कितना मुझे पेमेंट रिसीव हुआ है, बिजनेस पे मैंने क्या क्या एक्सपेंसेस करे. फॉर्मूला लगाओ कि उसमें आपका रेवेन्यू कितना है, व्हाट इज योर रेवेन्यू आउट ऑफ दिस. कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ इट एंड then you can decide on your expenses to be done. And to increase your income, it is like you are the best person, you know how to do your business, right? सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आज की डेट में इम्पल्सिव बाइंग ही होता है. सो कीप अ टैप ऑन योर एक्सपेंसेस विच आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट. योर क्रेडिट कार्ड, या घर के लिए भी हम कभी गए डीमार्ट में गए, हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ दो ही चीजें थी कि आटा लाना है और चावल लाना है. यहाँ पर ये वाला बिस्किट दिख गया, वहां पर अपने को चॉकलेट्स दिख गई है, यहाँ पर चोकोस दिख रहा है, ये आइसक्रीम ले लो, ब्रेड ले लो, एंड यू कीप ऑन बाइंग लॉट मेनी थिंग्स. तो मे बी जस्ट वन हैबिट इज प्रिपेयर अ लिस्ट एंड गो वेर एवर यू वॉन्ट टू गो. अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा इज ओके, बट डोंट डू इम्पल्सिव बाइंग कि ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है, वो भी अच्छा लग रहा है. घर में कितनी बार ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें छोटी छोटी ले आते हैं, मसाले के पैकेट है, सूप पाउचेस, इट कीप्स ऑन गेटिंग एक्सपायर्ड एंड यू हैव टू थ्रो. या फिर इतना एबंडेंस हो जाता है घर में कि लोगों का मन भर जाता है एंड वो चीज कोई खाता ही नहीं है.
Yes. Ma'am, next question. It's a little funny and I think personal. When women hide money and man eventually comes to know about it, where we are hiding, what to do?
सी बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव इस चीज का यही था कि ठीक है, यू शुड बी ट्रांसपेरेंट, बोथ इट इज फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स. बट एट टाइम्स यस आई डू अग्री, एट टाइम्स इन सम फैमिलीज मेल्स आर सो एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट, उनको जहां पैसा दिखता नहीं है लगता है खर्च कर दो. सो फीमेल्स का एक ऑब्जेक्टिव हमेशा, दे आर ऑलवेज इनसिक्योर कि कुछ तो पैसा मुझे हिडन रखना है, राइट? तो अभी ठीक है, किसी एक बैंक अकाउंट में हिडन रख लो, बट उसमें प्लीज नॉमिनेट योर हस्बैंड एंड उसका रिकॉर्ड कहीं तो ऐसा रखो कि जरूरत पड़ने पर वो पता पड़ जाए. या इफ यू डोंट वांट टू रिवील इट टू योर स्पाउस, एटलीस्ट घर में किसी और को बता के रखो, योर मदर, योर फादर, या बच्चे थोड़े से बड़े हैं, समझदार है, एटलीस्ट कीप समवन एटलीस्ट इन्फॉर्म्ड.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next question. I think many people are considering this as a stock market or something. Ladies, this is not the same session. Please limit your questions regarding to financial literacy for women. You can ask any personal question which you have, how to manage your personal finance. No information about stock market, investment would be provided here because this is not the session about it. Okay. Next question. Would you suggest about filing an ITR for a homemaker? What are the benefits of filing ITR for a homemaker?
सी ITR फाइल करना इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इवन इफ यूर होम मेकर. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मेल्स क्या करते हैं, फिक्स डिपॉजिट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करा, म्यूचुअल फंड में करा, दे आर ऑलरेडी इन 30% टैक्स ब्रैकेट, राइट? सो या 20% टैक्स ब्रैकेट में है. फीमेल होम मेकर है, उसको टैक्स लाइबिलिटी अप टू वॉट एवर गवर्नमेंट ने सपोजिंग 6.5 लाख पर एनम का करके रखा है कि विद इन दिस कैटेगरी अपने को टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. So they keep on doing investment in their wife's name at times. So I have seen cases जहां पर वाइफ के नाम पे म्यूचुअल फंड लिया रहता है 20-20, 40-40 लाख का. They are just allowed to sign blindly. बताया भी नहीं जाता कि उनके नाम पे इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट है. There are females who come and when they get to know they feel so rich. Oh my God, मेरे पास इतना पैसा है और मुझे पता ही नहीं था. So in such cases अगर आपके नाम पे, yes, if there are investments being done in your name, और कभी कभी क्या होता है कोई प्रोप्राइटरशिप फर्म खोल लेता है, उसमें प्रोप्राइटर वाइफ को बना देते हैं बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग समवेयर. सो इन सच केसेस यस, अगर आपके नाम पे फिक्स डिपॉजिट है, कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट है, कोई बिजनेस आपके नाम पे स्टार्ट करा है, आजकल लोग नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग ये सब बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं, वाइफ के नाम पे स्टार्ट कर देते हैं और वाइफ को पता भी नहीं होता है. सो यस, यू शुड बी नोइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स कि मेरे नाम पे अगर कुछ है तो ITR फाइल होना चाहिए, मेरे नाम पे अर्निंग है. अगर आपके नाम पे बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली देयर इज नथिंग, जस्ट अ सिंपल सेविंग्स अकाउंट जहाँ कुछ हजारों में अप टू सम लैक्स देयर इज मनी, सो इट्स ओके. बट इफ इट इज गोइंग अबाउट द थ्रेशोल्ड या कोई बिजनेस आपके नाम पे हो रहा है, आजकल लोग क्या करते हैं, गूगल पे वगैरह से पैसा मंगा लेते हैं. कोई छोटा मोटा बिजनेस है, जैसे आप रीसेलर हो, ठीक है, बट आपका रीसेलिंग बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा चल गया, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग मनी थ्रू गूगल पे, पेटीएम, ये वो, जा तो अल्टीमेटली आपके बैंक अकाउंट में रहा है. बैंक ऑल्सो कीप्स अ टैप ऑन ऑल दीज अकाउंट्स जहां पर फ्रीक्वेंट मनी आ रहा है एंड दे गेट टू नो इट्स अ बिजनेस अकाउंट. सो कल को अगर उसमें कुछ इनकम टैक्स इंक्वायरी होती है, सो यू आर इन ट्रबल. सो इन सच केसेस अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत भी अर्न करें, इट्स ऑलवेज एडवाइजेबल. इनकम टैक्स आजकल खुद से फाइल कर सकते हैं, CA भी मुश्किल से 400-500 रुपए लेते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट डू फाइल इट सो दैट यू डोंट, बिकॉज इनकम टैक्स की इंक्वायरी ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी इसी साल आ जाएगी. कल को मैं बहुत बड़ी बिजनेसमैन बन गई, बिजनेस वुमेन बन गई, तो हो सकता है मेरे पास 5-7 साल बाद भी इंक्वायरी आती है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू फाइल इट.
Yes, thank you so much. Ma'am, someone has asked, I realize that it is important to have insurance, but I do not have any insurance, and somehow I do not like to take a insurance. I think there is a mentality कि हम बीमार तो नहीं होने वाले, फिर इंश्योरेंस की क्या जरूरत है वगैरह, ऐसा कुछ थोड़ा किसी लोगों में मेंटेलिटी होता है. So what would you like to say about this, especially for the women?
सी इफ यू आर नॉट अर्निंग एंड लगता है कि यार मुझे कुछ हो गया तो फैमिली को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना है मेरे जाने से, बिकॉज द हस्बैंड और जो भी कोई क्लोज रिलेटिव है दे आर अर्निंग वेल, तो उतना ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बट यस, इफ यू आर एन अर्निंग मेंबर, मे बी एक छोटा अमाउंट भी, इफ यू आर ड्रॉइंग सम सैलरी, डूइंग सम बिजनेस एंड द फैमिली गेट्स इम्पैक्टेड in your absence, then yes, you should do a term insurance. कभी कभी लोगों की ये मेंटालिटी रहती है फीमेल्स की, मुझे कुछ हो गया तो घर में कुछ फर्क पड़ना ही नहीं है ना, हस्बैंड तो है अर्न करने के लिए. बट ठीक है, एक छोटा अमाउंट भी है, बट इट्स लाइक एन एडिशनल सपोर्ट टू द फैमिली. हम व्हाई डू यू ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट द मेल मेंबर्स, इनको कुछ हो जाए तो आई शुड गेट अ सपोर्ट आफ्टर देम? व्हाई इट इज नॉट द अदर वे अराउंड?
True.
So don't you think it is an injustice to the male members?
Yes, yes, yes. Nice point of view, ma'am, actually. Okay, ma'am, there is another request from the participants. We will be sharing the Excel sheet, but I think many participants would like a dedicated session on how to use the Excel sheet and how to, map the values and fill the values. Would you be interested in taking another section on how to manage the Excel?
Yes, I can take, not an issue. It's a very simple Excel. So it depends on आपकी फैमिली में कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन सेशन करोगे इट इज हेल्पफुल इन वन वे कि आप जो काम सोच रहे हो डिले कर रहे हो कि आई विल डू इट टुडे टुमारो एंड टुमारो विल नेवर कम. सो मे बी इफ आई एम मेकिंग यू कंपल्सरीली सिट एंड एक्सप्लेन एंड उसी टाइम आपका हाफ ऑफ द वर्क इज डन, तो यू गेट अ मोटिवेशन कि ठीक है अब मुझे इसको कंप्लीट करना ही है,
Ma'am,
राइट?
let me take a poll. Let's see if people are interested for a dedicated Excel session. Or do you want a dedicated Excel session? Just
मे
a
बी हो
second.
सकता है मेरे पास जो एक्सेल है मुझे और एडिशनल पॉइंट्स भी मिल जाए उसको डालने को, क्योंकि इट विल बी लाइक अ मोर लाइक अ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशन,
Yes.
बिकॉज एवरी फैमिली हैज डिफरेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, डिफरेंट दिस थिंग.
Okay. Dear participants, the poll is live. Please let us know if you would be interested in a dedicated Excel session. In the meantime, till the participants vote, we will take on the next question. What can we do as a student to be aware of the housing finance? I'm not sure why a student need a housing finance, but ma'am, if you can please answer this question.
हाउसिंग फाइनेंस मीन्स हाउस होल्ड फाइनेंसेस और हाउसिंग फाइनेंस?
Yeah. Ma'am, can you please talk about both household finance? We will talk about household finance. How a lady student can manage household finance.
So it's all about getting the kids involved in discussing finances, not to a bigger extent, but small expenses like take them along with you to supermarkets whenever you are buying या grocery का shopping आप online कर रहे हो. Let the kids get involved. Okay, ठीक है, बच्चे ने बोला मुझे 5 ओरियो के पैकेट मंगा दो, ठीक है, बच्चे को खुद को सिलेक्ट करने दो. ओके, 1 ओरियो पैकेट इज से 20 रुपीज, 5 लिए तो ओके यू आर स्पेंडिंग 100 रुपीज ऑन दिस, बिकॉज इवन अभी तो पैंडेमिक है, ऑनलाइन जब हम शॉपिंग करते हैं ग्रोसरी का लिस्ट इज नॉट एंडिंग, ओनली 6-7 thousand मिनिमम जाता है, बट किड्स डोंट रियलाइज. So it will be an eye opener to them also. They should also realize that this is also something which involves money. It is not that because nowadays kids are so privileged, they have got everything in abundance, they don't value whatever they're getting. You get one toy today that is broken tomorrow and again they will ask and you will very easily you will keep on buying for them. So let them also be involved. When you are buying the thing, let the kid know what is the amount and how difficult it is to earn that amount.
Yes.
So
Thank you
maybe
so much.
Amay, we can keep a session on educating about finances to at least teenagers.
Yes, yes, exactly.
What do you
Ma'am, there is a
suggest?
wonderful suggestion from someone. Guys, when you type in comments, please let us know your name as well because you have logged in as a guest. Someone has suggested that why not keep a financial session for husband and wife both? Where
Yes,
both
we can keep a session. So this was basically kept for females because I think 80% of you would agree, yeah, we didn't know this. But when it comes to males की mentality वह क्या होती है? अरे यार ये सब मुझे पता है क्यों ज्ञान दे रहे हैं फालतू का? Do you all agree to it? ठीक है, मतलब अपने हस्बैंड को अगर आप सोचो, आप यू जस्ट विजुअलाइज अ सिचुएशन व्हेन यू आर गोइंग एंड टेलिंग योर हस्बैंड कि ये ठीक है, हमको ये रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करना है, तो बोलेंगे तेरे को बड़ा ज्ञान देने की आदत हो गई है. So
Gina, thank you so much for the suggestion.
you start maintaining in Excel and then share with your husband. Okay, look, these are my investments. I have updated this. So imagine the level of delight he will have, and then ask him to update with his financials, whatever he is comfortable with. At least utna to.
Correct. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Females are a bigger educator. Remember this thing. You have got amazing convincing skills, but the thing is, you should know how to convince.
Actually, we will take a couple of more questions. Term insurance is based on age or on medical status. If this is
Both.
relevant, you can choose to answer.
Both.
Okay, it's relevant on both. Okay, all right. Ma'am, what is meant by will? Palgati Anusha asks, what is meant by a will?
What is meant by a will? Will is something like आप बैंक अकाउंट्स में तो नॉमिनी रख लेते हो, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है कि ये प्रॉपर्टी है, मुझे किसको देना है, या फिर मेरे घर में सपोजिंग कुछ आइटम्स है या फिर गोल्ड है लॉकर में, आई हैव गॉट 3 नेकलेस, तो मुझे ये एक है मेरे बड़े बेटे को देना है, छोटे को देना है, या फिर ये इसको देना है. So it's kind of different objects you have at house along with your money and you want to give it to different people in the family. कई लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि ये मेरे पास है, सपोजिंग एन 80 years old senior citizen, सो ठीक है, वाइफ नहीं है, कोई नहीं है, तो दे थिंक यार आई हैव गॉट 3 brothers and 2 sisters, so this should go to my brother, this should go to my younger sister, putting in their names and everything. So it's like आप प्लेन पेपर पे भी जो चाहे लिख सकते हो, विल का फॉर्मेट है. आप गूगल करो, विल के लिए आपको 100 चीजें, डिफरेंट चीजें मिल जाएगी कि what all you should include in your will.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Anyone else, if anyone wants to ask any question, please type in the chat box. Or if anyone wants to talk, you can let me know that I want to talk. I will enable your mic and you can directly speak with ma'am as well.
So do you all want me to put my email ID or contact number in case someone wants?
Yeah, ma'am, we will share the Skillslate email ID. The whatever the communication will be there, we will be conduct.
Yes, you can route it to me, no problem.
Okay, I have shared the Excel file. I have shared the Excel file. Please check it and let me know if you are able to download it. If you are not able to download it, I will also share it in the women group as well. I hope all the participants are part of the Skillslate women WhatsApp group.
No, not really, because there are few, I think I have also invited few of my friends and relatives who are not a part of Skillslate, because
Just
we
a
have.
second. Oh, actually, the group got full. I will create another group and share the link with you all. Wonderful. Congratulations to everyone. That was a great response from all the women.
Right.
Someone wants to talk, ma'am. Let me turn on their mic. All right. Just allow me a second.
Yeah, sure. There is a question from Palagati Anusha, which is the best investment avenue for women. So again, I will tell you that this is not the right platform. If you want to have an investment advice, so the person who is giving you advice should know what are your savings, what are your earnings, and everything. Based on that they can suggest you. Investment is not something which can be advice can be given blindly to anyone.
Okay. Guest 416 who wanted to talk, you can talk now. Please click the mic button at the top of the screen. and you can start speaking. Please let me know if you are able to talk. Okay. What is your name, guest 416? Please click the mic button at the top. Please click the mic button at the top.
It's just next to the settings.
Yes, yes, yes. If you are joining on the phone or a computer, it's at the top. You just have to click the button. Okay. In the meantime, I will enable someone else. Someone else wanted to talk to. Guest 722.
Okay, I'm
Please
here.
see.
Oh, someone is talking, I guess.
Okay. No issues. We will wait 2 minutes if it's
Aman,
not.
there is a comment
Uh,
from guest 55 that nowadays children don't have the value of money. When you ask from where money comes, children says from ATM, from Dr. Neema. Okay.
yes,
So
yes.
in that case, it is our responsibility to educate the children about how money comes, first of all, and how much hard work it requires to earn a single rupee. So they should know the value of money. I understand because the kids are surrounded with so many people having so many different things, so they keep on getting tempted and they think it is a privilege to get whatever they want.
Yes. I think the people are not able to turn on their mic. It's okay if you want to share in the chat. We will take your questions. If there are no more questions, we will move towards the end of the session.
So, yeah, thank you everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed it, though it was a very, you can say it was a very informal kind of session. And I have covered only the basics related to what all you need to check when it comes to finances at home.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, someone is asking, I think this is the third time, why can't you suggest government insurance and NPS?
See, again, coming to this thing, I don't want to suggest anything in general over a public platform. Investment is something which needs to be discussed one on one. I am not suggesting any kind of an investment. This session, the objective was whatever you have, wherever you have invested, the spouse or your family member needs to be made aware of it. I am not suggesting any kind of investment options over here.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, the polls are here. Okay, we shall move towards the end of the session. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a really wonderful session, and I think I don't have to say it personally because all the voting and the kind of messages we were receiving on the chat says it all. 96% audience said that they found the session wonderful, and the way people were interacting and asking the questions was wonderful. Dr. G. Lakshmi, thank you so much. I'm really glad that you liked the session, Dr. Lakshmi, and we will definitely try to keep more session with ma'am in the future, something maybe more hands-on where you can learn how to actually fill and map the excel sheet and keep a track record of everything. And ma'am, thank you so much for your time. That was a wonderful session. And if you guys allow me, I would just like to introduce about the Women of Skill Slate initiative. Let me share my screen. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. So basically, Women of Skill Slate is an initiative under Skill Slate only. Skill Slate Foundation is a non-profit organization where our aim is to make education opportunities and skills accessible to all. So while working on this non-profit since last 1 year, I realized that women need special attention because today also we realize that women were not able to be a part of the very basic thing at the family, and this not only comprises of the financial limitations, but they often have limitations on various other opportunities as well. So that was the motive behind starting Women of Skill Slate. The purpose is basically women empowerment through making skills and education accessible. And this is not only about a formal or a education platform. It is more like a community where we will be organizing more online and offline meetups as soon as the COVID is over. We will have networking sessions and get-togethers exclusively for women, where women from all the different backgrounds will be able to join and come together. Now also you can see Sonali ma'am is from the Women of Skills led group only. She is a banker. Someone from the group is a doctor. Someone is a educator. Someone is a principal. So like this, we will be able to connect all kinds of women, women from all the backgrounds, network with them, and grow together. Because today we got benefit from Sonali ma'am's experience. Maybe tomorrow someone else would like to take up a workshop and share their expertise. We can do that as well. So this is what we want, and I request all of you to utilize the group as much as possible. Please don't spam in the group, don't send self promotional links, but help the community members, share something valuable if you come across something, ask questions, share your happy moments. Consider it as a kitty party of women wear, but from here we will be getting a lot more value. And please ignore the two male members from the group, myself, Amay Agrawal, and there is one Akshay Chaudhary. This is because we are running the group, we founded this initiative. That's why the two of us male members are there. Otherwise no male members are allowed in the group. All right. So these are the activities we are planning to conduct: networking, knowledge sharing, the like which one we had now, professional support. If someone likes professional support, you can utilize this group as a bridge. We will have fun activities, online meetups, mentorship session, entrepreneurial support, and community building. Currently, our groups are in Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Mumbai, Pondicherry, Hyderabad, Varanasi. Few more cities are there, Kolkata and Coimbatore as well. This is an old slide and I have not added them yet. So please join the city specific groups and invite your other female colleagues as well to the group. All right. And now what we are looking forward is, we are looking forward some members who will be taking up some responsibilities to run this group. Because see, this is not a company or something, this is a community. We are building a community and we need community leaders who can take up initiative, who can take up leadership, organize such kind of programs, connect with the other people. So you, if you think you have that in you, if you think you have that capability where you can lead a team, where you can form a community, where you can see your vision being aligned with the Women of Skill Slate vision, please reach out to me via personal message. Please let me know your plans and what you think you can do with this Women of Skill Slate community, and I will be happy to add you as a community member, as a community leader. We could really use some help and support from all the community members here who would like to take leadership. And that's all. There are no no obligations, nothing. Is just a pure of heart effort. And I hope you like the session today, and I hope you will be attending a lot more webinar sessions with us, and soon I hope we will be able to meet offline. So please be interactive in the group, engage, help each other, and add value to each other. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am, again for your time. I think we expected the session to last around 40 minutes, but we are 30 minutes ahead, and I think that shows the members are still sticking by. So it was a wonderful, wonderful session.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amay,
Uh,
and thank you to all the participants to hearing me patiently, and Amay for giving me this a wonderful opportunity. This was something which is very close to my heart because out of my experiences.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you all the participants. See you soon. See you in the Excel sheet webinar soon. Have a good day. Wonderful Sunday. I won't take your Saturday evening more. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you. Bye.
Guys, if anyone wants to register for certificate, the link is already shared. The certificates will be issued after 3 to 4 days. All right. Please enter your correct name and email on the certificates. All right. Take care. See you. Good night.